Let's make some easy, delicious salsa. We like ours where it's pureed. The kids really won't eat it when it's chunky. I've been making this for a long time, and it's just one of those that you tweak it to the way you like it. But you start with 2 of the 28-ounce cans of diced tomatoes. Now, and it calls for 28 ounces of the crushed, and I do like the crushed. Didn't have those, so I've had to do, instead of 2 of the potatoes, listen at me, 2 of the tomatoes and 1 of the crushed tomatoes, I'm doing 3 of these, and it'll be fine, okay? All right, and to that, I'm doing 1 can of the tomatoes with the green chilies. I've opted for mild. If you like more heat, you can use the other. In fact, you taste it. Like I said, when I first got the recipe years ago, I just tweaked it till I got it to where we liked it. And this is what you can do with this. Now, you could make a smaller batch. We will eat this. In fact, I've kept Cool Whip bowls this week so that the families can take some home with them. They love it. The girls say that they could just drink it. But I've pureed that up. You see, this is the consistency of it. And I just dropped it. Hold on just a second. I knocked off my onion powder, but this is the consistency of it because that's the way we like it. Okay, and so I've taken a whole bunch of cilantro and a half of an onion, and I have finely chopped that. Okay, there are a little bit of pieces of the stem in here that will show, but that will be okay. As long as onion's not showing, the girls will be fine. They will take that onion out, though. If we go out to eat Mexican and it's chunky, they'll take a chip and get that piece of onion or get that chunky tomato out and hand that to me. They just do not like it. So you know I'm going to try to make it in a way that pleases my family. And so I've mixed in this. And that green gives it such a pretty color, does it not? Look at that. Okay, so now to that, I'm going to do 2 teaspoons of the cumin, the ground cumin. And you may like I said, a stronger flavor of this. And when I get through with this, I may actually add some additional things. In fact, I had to go back and figure out the original recipe when I shared it early on. Okay, and then I'm going to put 2 teaspoons of seasoned salt. Okay. It calls for 1 teaspoon of the garlic powder. I'm actually doing tacos for lunch tomorrow, so I thought there we go. I'll just make us some salsa because we love it just by itself, just to eat it. Okay, and then a teaspoon of the onion powder. Okay, then it calls for, I'm gonna stir this, then it calls for 1/4 to 1/3 cup of lemon juice and the same amount for lime juice. This is somewhere where I just really kind of pour and taste, but we're gonna just maybe start out. That's probably about 1/3 because we love the flavor, the citrus flavor that's in this. Okay, there we go. Now, that should be, and then if you don't like the acidity of it, you could put, I don't know, maybe 1/4 cup of sugar. Just put your little sugar to try to kill that if you don't want as much acid flavor in it. And you can actually add some more heat to it if you want to. I mean, if you like jalapenos, you could, maybe just throw those in with your onion and chop you up some of those or whatever, or use the regular Rotel to get your flavor, the heat that you want. Okay, well, this is all it is to it. Now we're going to taste it and see. And this keeps for a long time in your refrigerator. Ours never stays that much because when we have leftovers, like I said, I normally do a Cool Whip bowl to each household. That's good. And I'm going to put just another maybe 1/2 teaspoon of the seasoned salt. And you can do salt and pepper too. You just do it like I said. This is something where you get all of your ingredients in there and you just start tweaking it till and if you make it enough, you'll be like me. you know, if I wasn't doing this video, I would never be giving measurements. I would just be standing here and I'd be putting stuff in, and I would taste and I'd put some more stuff in. So this is a really, really, I'm afraid to kind of pick it up. It's so heavy, but I do want you to see. You see it's thin. I guess you would consider it more like a picante sauce than a salsa since it's not chunky, but I hope you'll try it. It's really good. I'm gonna do some rice tomorrow, so they'll put that over their rice. They'll put it in their taco. I'll have chips and they'll dip and eat chips and dip with it too. So we will really enjoy this. I hope that you'll keep faith in your heart, peace in your home, and good food on your table. I love you and God bless.